Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Pluto TV activate link not working, code expired app and browser fix. Fix 1. Generate a fresh code on your TV. You just have to close the Pluto TV app on your TV or streaming device. Reopen the Pluto TV app and navigate to left menu and select sign in. Keep the sign in screen open to view the 6-digit activation code. Fix to access the correct link on your phone or computer. Open your mobile or desktop web browser, Chrome, Safari, Edge. Open a private or incognito window to avoid issue with corrupted browser cache. Type bluetooth.tv/activate directly into the URL address bar. Then you have to press enter to navigate to the site. Fix 3. Log in and enter the code. Sign in to your existing Pluto TV account or create a new free account. Enter the 6-digit code displayed on your TV screen into the web browser. Click on Activate or Submit. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds for the TV screen to refresh and log in automatically. Thanks for watching.